they basically do what they say. They basically explain stuff. They basically is a very dependable company to deal with, and they're very truthful at what they say. Well, basically, we both was already leasing with a company in the past, and we was the owner operator at that time with that company. But we wanted to come to someone that was more established and someone that, that knew what they were doing. The last company that we had, they didn't have everything in the order. They just wasn't established as much as the TEL program is. Because at the end of the day, we basically want to have a finish up by learning how to run our own business. The number one thing that we're looking to do is to finish out with the contract and own our truck. We hadn't had a problem with that communication. If I call and we need help or we need some kind of information, they write on it. They do what they need to do to make sure that we're satisfied.